Down, okay.
Good job. Good job, Bridgie. Turn around, Gabby. Okay, go by Daddy. Go up the street by Daddy. Keep going. Pedal hard. Yeah, pedal hard to get up the street. Pedal hard. Keep going. Pedal hard. Good job, pedal hard. Oh, it's so hard.
Okay. Did you know you were doing it all by yourself? No, Bridget, I'm not even touching it.
Here, turn. Turn, turn, turn. Ready? As soon as I get you up the hill, I don't want you to fall. Now do it. Eric, Gabby's coming for you. Will you help her so she shouldn't fall?
She knows how to stop.
She's so... Here, I want to get my dad to see him.